The next refactoring I'm going to do is a very simple one, and that's to take advantage of what's called string interpolation. This is something that's supported by the latest version of JavaScript, so it makes sense to start using it in TypeScript because TypeScript will just automatically compile it to the old version of JavaScript if it's not supported. So what we're going to do is change this quote to a backtick, and that tells it that we're going to interpolate what's inside of this. And I'm going to just do a $sign and wrap this in braces to tell it that that variable is what it wants to pull. And you can see I get full IntelliSense with what's available inside of this. So that's a very simple step of string interpolation that we change that to. I'm going to save it. We'll compile it and run it, and we get the exact same output if we take a look at our generated JavaScript. So here's the string interpolation. If we go to our JavaScript side, we can see it just expanded it. So it doesn't really bias much for the old version, but for newer versions of JavaScript, when we target those later, it's going to pass the new version of interpolation into the new version of JavaScript.